Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Truck owner is furious at the fact that he is unable to drive up the hill. Absolutely unacceptable, mate. Okay, but seriously, what is even going on here? Watch until the end for the rear view camera.
Holy sh**. There was a crack. Yep. I had to hard brake. Oh sh**. It was 3 cars. Holy sh**. Holy sh**.
I wonder if the car that hit that car was the one that honked.
Ooh, you just hit him. That guy just hit him. His bumper's on.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn
The
left
sedan on the far right lane.
South.
Yes.
That truck.
Smash their mirror so they surely cannot use it in the future, and then run into the back of a car. Genius. How drunk do you have to be to drive on the wrong side of the highway? What did this guy just throw out? Either this driver is asleep, or they are going full throttle and spinning their tyres until red line. At first I thought this was 3 people going the wrong way. Probably coming in the next few videos. I wouldn't be surprised. A bike going the wrong way now. There is no way this is real. The first time I have seen this.
I know.
Or just wait till traffic stops. Like, I don't know. Like,
That guy, you see that guy weaving over there?
yeah. Just an idiot.
I hate when people drive like that.
Woo!
Oh my god.
You saw how close he
Yes.
was? Oh, go! Holy shit. Put it on. Where's your hazards?
Oh, we have a dash cam.
The level of entitlement here. Wow.
Wow.
Be settled by the Supreme Court.
I think we're in a really interesting, potentially a time of potential progress, but also, depending on the decision, could move us backwards. We've got to be braced for that.
Hoskins says the appointment of Hill falls on the side of progress.
There may be some things
A few moments later.
Interesting way to run a red light. Still an idiot, sorry mate. What's worse, the pizza delivery truck in the way or the driver in the middle of the road. Although I don't see how the person driving this thought this was something extreme to post. If anything, this might be the start of a fake armed pizza robbery. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.